Hello everyone, this is the Case Breakers. Tonight I'm coming at you with a personal box break of 2012-2013 Immaculate Basketball. Depends on who the 1-1 is, Matt, but you might have a deal. Alright, come on. There we go. Let's just rip it open. Box didn't want to come out for me. I'll get the box out. Alright. Yeah, I bet you would, Justin. Alright, first we'll do the Kobe pack. This one looks thicker than usual. I don't know if that means anything or not. Ooh, I got a Kobe patch. It looks like it could be autographed. Come on. It's the first one I pulled from here. We'll save that for last. I don't think no autograph unless it's on card. Ah! Alright, let's see. No, but nice. Look at this. 21-24. Oh, that's nice. That's going to pay for a little bit of the box back. Alright, guys. That's a nice way to start off the box. That's a nice way to start it off. Alright, guys. Here we go. Ooh, there's some nice thick ones in here. 89/99, Ryan Anderson. For the Nuggets, Alex English autograph 3/25. Nice patch auto. 3-color patch auto, Alex English. The next card, we have a quad. Nice. Kevin Garnett, John Rondo, Avery Bradley, and Paul Pierce. Number 10/50. And Jim Jackson, number 2/99. And that's supposed to be an inscriptions, but I don't see an inscription there. Alright. 2 more to go. Oh. Oh. It's to 99. Oh, come on, baby. Oh, Damian Lillard. Oh, my goodness. Boom, baby. 93/99. Damian Lillard. 3-color patch autograph. Oh, that is sick. That is sick. And the last card, Dennis Rodman, 2-color patch, Immaculate Collection, 46/60. But oh my God, that is sick, guys. I told you, nobody listens to me. Nobody listens to me to get into the break. And Damian Lillard autograph patch, 3-color. Nice. Nice. Oh my God. That is just sick. Hopefully it fits in this. If not, I'm going to put this in a brand new one touch. But damn, that is sweet. Now I got to get a bigger one, guys. Give me 1 second. Wow. Fucking A. Wow. Alright, first I got to see if it fits in this one. Oh my God, that is just crazy, 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 crazy. Thank you guys for not buying into that break. Oh my goodness. Oh, man. Put that right in a one touch. Because that is mine. Wow. Come on. Now that's some boom, baby. Alright, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check me out at www.thecasebreakers.com because this is where the hits come from, brother. Check me out on Twitter. My Twitter is @thecasebreakers. And check my eBay IDs. My eBay ID is the Casebreakers. Boom, baby!